All right, the next practice, let's do one that's called cleansing the internal organs. Okay, so this works with the 5 Chinese elements. So we have wood, fire, earth, metal, and water. And each of these elements, they're all connected with different organs in the body, connected also with different seasons, directions, emotions, planets. So we're going to work with all of this energy right now. Okay, so we begin and end with wood. Okay, so let's start by crossing our hands in front of our heart. This is sometimes called embrace the tiger. Okay, and then we're gonna swing our hands up and interlace our fingers and push up to the sky, creating space between the shoulders and the ears. Okay, so let's do this a few times. Okay, so this is for wood, which is connected with the liver and the gallbladder. The color associated with this movement is green for the springtime. The direction is east. The planet in the Chinese system is Jupiter. And the emotions connected with wood, with the liver and the gallbladder, the emotions are anger. Okay, so as we do this, let's release any feelings of anger and we increase feelings of kindness. Okay, so as we do this, feel yourself increasing in kindness. Okay. Let's do one more. Okay, and then we move from wood to fire. And we slowly bring our hands to the level of our heart, making, this is sometimes called tiger hands or dragon hands. And let's connect our breath with healing sound. And let's make the healing sound ha whenever we exhale. Ha. Ha. So as we do this, every exhalation, feel the fires of the body. Fire is related to the heart and the small intestines. It's related to the color red, to the south, summertime. It's connected with the planet Mars. And it's also related to the emotions of shock. So as we do this, let's release feelings of shock and increase joy and order. So feeling in to the joy and order of your life, cultivating the heart energy, the small intestine energy, and then we can do a variation rubbing 2 fiery places of the body, the heart and the lower belly, soothing any feelings of shock, increasing joy and order. Okay. And then we transition from fire to earth. Okay, so to do this practice, we're going to slowly come up to the balls of the feet and then come back down. And as we come up, let's raise our hands up, palms up. As we come down, palms go down. Okay, so as we do this, let's focus on the earth element, which is connected to the stomach and the spleen. The color is yellow. The direction is the center. The season is late summer. The healing sound, as we do this, let's make the healing sound H-U-H. Ha. Okay. Ha. And the emotions associated with the earth are overwhelm. So as we do this, let's release feelings of overwhelm and let's increase feelings of sympathy, empathy, and trust. Okay, so feel a strong sense of trust in the earth. Okay. And we can do a variation of this practice by turning out one toe 45 degrees, one foot is facing 45, and let's balance over that foot, and let's slowly bring up the other. So if you like, the toe can touch the ground for more support, or it can be a little bit higher. Okay? Feeling into increasing feelings of sympathy, empathy, and trust. And then we can slowly step, having our foot at a diagonal angle, and then slowly balance on that foot. Again, the toe can touch the ground for more support, but if you like, you can bring up that foot a little bit more. And Tai Chi is very good for helping to increase balance so that you won't fall when you get older. Let's practice this again, slowly balancing, feeling trust in the earth. Slowly, once more. Slowly down. Now we transition from earth to metal. Metal is connected with the lungs and the large intestines. So we're finding our lung points. To find this lung point, let's touch our collarbone and our armpit with one hand, and take our thumb and put it diagonally, like right in between these 2 points. Okay, so just feel around. If you have lung problems like asthma, you might notice it a little bit tender, but you might not notice anything. Just feeling around, massaging our lung points. Okay. The lungs and the large intestines, they are connected with metal. The color is white. The direction is the west for the fall. And the planet is Venus. And the emotions associated with the lungs and large intestines are grief and sadness. And so as we massage our lung points, let's let go of grief and sadness and increase feelings of integration and wholeness. Okay? And we can do a variation where we put one hand out in front, okay? And we slowly turn that hand and that foot to the back. So the foot is facing at a diagonal angle to the back corner. The hand is all the way behind, and our weight is shifted forward on that front foot. As we make the healing sound, shh, S-H-H. And slowly we change, bringing that hand, the thumb to the lung point, taking the other hand back around. Shh. Slowly changing. One thumb to the lung point, the other hand goes around in this archer kind of position. Shh, as if the hand is resting on a ball that's close to a wall. Shh. Once more. Letting go of grief and sadness, increasing integration and wholeness. Coming back forward, massaging both lung points again. Okay. The next element, we go from metal to water. So we massage our kidneys. Water is connected with the kidneys and the bladder, the urinary tract. Okay, so as we are massaging, we're focusing on the water element, which is connected with the color black or dark blue. The direction is the north for winter. Okay. The planet connected with this element is Mercury. And the emotions that are connected with the water are fear and anxiety, but yet also wisdom and vitality. So as we do this, let's increase wisdom and vitality. Okay? Then we can do a variation where we take one hand and put it on the opposite kidney. The other hand is in front of the body at hip level. And we're going to slowly turn to one direction. And then we'll change, putting the hand on the opposite kidney. As we turn, we make the healing sound, hoo, hoo, slowly changing, hoo, hoo. Letting go of fear and anxiety, increasing wisdom and vitality. We can make another healing sound for this element, this water element. Chiree, chiree, chiree. Feeling into the vitality of water, the wisdom of water. Once more, chiree. Okay? And then water, from water we go back to wood. We begin and end with wood. So this wood practice, we make a shoulder stroke, okay? We're holding a baby with one arm, putting the other hand by that shoulder, pushing. We slowly turn, making the healing sound like a snake, slowly turning. So as we do this, we strengthen our liver and our gallbladder, connected with wood. We release feelings of anger, increase kindness. Healing the liver and the gallbladder. Once more each side.